Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial and thank you so much for clicking. And today we are going to learn how to crochet this beautiful hair scrunchie. It's very easy, the pattern is beginner friendly, and I hope you're going to enjoy it to the end. Please remember to give this video a like, share, and leave a sweet comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. So let's get into the video. These are the materials that you're going to need in this project: an elastic hairband, a crochet hook. I'll be using hook size 4.5 millimeter, a pair of scissors, a darning needle, yarn. This is Robin Chunky, it's 100% acrylic, and some fluffy yarn, yeah, to decorate our hair scrunchie. So to start, make a slip knot and into the hairband insert your hook and pull that loop and chain 2, yarn over and insert your hook in that space, grab yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet, yarn over into the same space, a half double crochet, half double crochet, and we are going to make half double crochets all round, making sure that this elastic band is well covered. And as you do that, you pull the chains together to make sure that you're covering the elastic band. All right, and at the same time I'm hiding this tail as I crochet. So I usually make about 50 half double crochets in the first round, but it depends with the size of yarn you're using, so it can be more or less than 50 half double crochets in the first round. And also it depends with how chunky or how bulky you want your ruffles to look. Yeah, so just keep making half double crochets and I'll meet you at the end of this first round. All right, so I have 50 half double crochets, and to complete this round, insert your hook in the first stitch, grab yarn and make a slip stitch. Round 2, we are going to chain 3, and in the first stitch we are making 2 more double crochets, so the chain 3 count as a stitch. So in the first stitch add 2 more double crochets to make 3 in one stitch. Going to the next stitch, make 3 double crochets. Into the next, 3 double crochets. Into the next, 3 double crochets, and keep repeating this until you get into the last stitch. So we are making 3 double crochets in each and every stitch to the end of this round. And we complete our round with a slip stitch on top of the third chain. Like that, and this is how round 2 looks like. To start the third round, we are going to chain 3, and the 3 count as a stitch, and then on top of the third chain we are going to make 2 more double crochets. And then in the next, 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, 3 double crochets. Then 1 double crochet in the next stitch. In the next, 3 double crochets, and this is the pattern we are going to repeat for this round to the end. So 3 double crochets followed by 1 double crochet in the next, followed by 3 double crochets, in that order to the end. So keep making the stitches and I'll meet you at the end of this third round. Alright, I've come to the end of this round and I'm going to complete it by slip stitching on top of the third chain. Like that, then chain 1, fasten and cut your yarn. And at this point, this is how the scrunchie is looking like. So you can stop at that point, or if you have some fluffy yarn, you can go ahead and make the last round just for decorations. Where did I stop? All right, so just right here where you stopped in the first stitch, in the second stitch, sorry, insert your hook, then make a slip knot with your new yarn, pull that loop, chain 1, and make a single crochet in that very stitch, and into the next a single crochet, into the next a single crochet, single crochet, and you're going to make single crochet in each and every stitch to the end of this round. Alright, so I'm almost at the end. I'm going to make the very last stitch on top of the previous slip stitch. Then go into the first stitch and make a slip stitch, yarn over, chain 1 and fasten. So I've already cut my yarn, and this is the last round. This is how our hair scrunchie looks like. Very beautiful. And now the next step is just to weave in these loose ends and we will be done with our today's project. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial to the end. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with friends. Also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this tutorial. And until next one, bye.